Are you looking for a secular morning writing practice that is clarifying, calming, and gets you ready to face the day? Here are 3 that I have found very valuable in my own life. Most mom vlogs extol the benefits of taking time to yourself in the morning before the kids wake up. And I must confess, I agree. Writing quietly with a cup of coffee or tea is a good way to start the day peacefully before the chaos descends, and every moment of your time is occupied by someone or something else. But there seem to be no ideas on these vlogs other than Bible studies or devotionals. What if you want a quiet, mentally stimulating writing practice for the mornings and aren't a Christian? Well, I have scoured the internet and my brain and come up with 3. These are a good gathering your peace exercise, even if you don't have children. And if you don't have children, you may have time to actually complete them. When looking for a morning writing assignment, you can choose to look inward for inspiration or outward. I'll do another video on how to find external inspiration for your writing. This video focuses on the internal. A very good option is morning pages. This practice was popularized by the book The Artist's Way, although I don't think they invented it, but could serve well even for those who aren't creatives. It's a 3-page free write you do each morning. This is stream of consciousness writing, where you write down your thoughts as they come to you, without thinking about or editing them. You do your best to continue without stopping until the 3 pages are filled. I confess, I have tried this for many days and I absolutely stink at it. I'm unable to write without analyzing my ideas and therefore slowing down and muddying my free thoughts. And I have never made the full 3 pages because I don't really have enough time in my morning routine. However, there are a lot of benefits to this style of writing. First, you may find yourself solving problems or coming up with new solutions and ideas for creative endeavors or your day-to-day life. You may feel relief from getting the jumble of thoughts in your head out on paper. As time goes on, you may recognize patterns of thought or behavior that you may want to address. Stream of consciousness writing, even if it's just a page or 2, can help you get a grip on where your thoughts and feelings truly lie, which is helpful in decision making. If you are someone who regularly remembers their dreams, even for a few minutes, writing them down as soon as you wake up is another good morning writing practice. I'm a very small-time author and often write entire novels purely for fun, and I've gotten some really great ideas from dream journals I've written in the past. If you aren't an artist, dream journals still have value because they can let you in on patterns in your subconscious values and aspirations, and even what you're afraid of. Like any good writing practice, dream journaling helps you to know yourself better and organize that knowledge. Now bear with me, I may get some pushback on this, but in my opinion, another good option is a gratitude journal with a daily intention. Gratitude and intention journaling can be seen as a way to quiet the real concerns and difficulties of women in the home. But no matter your gender, I think gratitude journals have merit and do not have to silence your struggles. It is easy, for me at least, to get into a miserable headspace of exhaustion, repetitiveness, seemingly endless natural disasters which we've been having around here, and currently an almost 10-month-old who bites, scratches, and pinches constantly. While working through the issues of lack of sleep, boredom, fear, and pain, it is important to me to remember that I have more going for me than the fact that my son is the cutest baby I've ever laid eyes on. I find that listing the many ways, great and minute, that I am blessed, lucky, or reaping the rewards of smart planning and hard work, in whichever combination it may be, makes me feel empowered and able to see the light at the end of my various tunnels. It edges me back from despairs tiny and large and puts me in the path of a daily intention that will lead to more of the good and less of the bad for myself and my family and those around me. I hope you find this useful. In trying each of these writing practices, I have felt calmer, more organized, and more self-aware. Have you tried any of these practices? Is there different writing practice you utilize in the mornings? Please leave your thoughts in the comments for others to find. In helping each other, we build community, and in building community, we're all better. Please follow so you won't miss my video on secular external sources of inspiration for morning writing practice.